Good day, guys! Today, we will demonstrate the basic different kinds of wire splicing. So, what is wire splicing?
So wire splicing is a method to join two or more electrical wires together. This process is commonly used in electrical and electronic systems when there is a need to extend, repair, or connect wires. The goal of wire splicing is to create a secure and reliable connection that allows electrical current to flow through the wires without interruption. Rat tail joint. A rat tail joint, more commonly called a rat tail splice, a very basic electrical splice used to connect two or more wires by wrapping them symmetrically around a common axis. T-joint is a vital component used to split a single conductor or wire into two smaller ones in a T-shaped configuration. Duplex wire splice is used to join wires in parallel. This allows the wires to connect to other networks. Wire splices are used in countless electrical home repair and other projects. Western Union joint, short, is widely used in interior wiring and is done similar to Western Union long tie splice. Western Union joint, long, is used whenever two lengths of wire to be joined end to end. Ordinary cross joint, used where two top conductors are to extend away from branch conductors and in opposite direction from the main through wires. The purpose of wire splicing is to create a secure and reliable electrical connection between two or more wires. This is done for various reasons including extending wires, repairing damaged wires, connecting electrical components, customization, and maintenance.
So that's all for our vlog. I hope you learned something in wire splicing.
Bye bye!